Ghost Rider or Robbie Reese. So this is the one from the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. So this version of him. So let's give this a go. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So basically a skull with flames coming all around it. Okay. So yeah, let's go for it. Landscape page, let's rock. So we'll go with big eyes, big skull eyes, right? So we go diagonal here. It kind of curves down. A little pointy in the corner. Goes down around like this. Okay. And then this kind of has like flame inside, right? So it's like a ball of fire inside. So that would be colored like orange and stuff. So you do the same thing around here. Like glowing fire eyes. Copy just the eye on the other side. And you do the same kind of thing. Okay. So he's kind of like frowning pretty heavily, right? So he's got like this sort of V-like shape that comes down in the middle. It's like a crack in his skull and stuff. So there is some like cracks coming up and down the skull, but we'll just add some of these lines here. And then we have a line that comes around the eye as well. Kind of like that. Right, so then his nose, so it's typical sort of skeleton nose, so it's got like this large empty space just here. Goes diagonal down. Kind of like a love heart at the bottom, but this goes up. Kind of disappears into his nose here, and this is black. You can color around there black as well if you wanted, around his eyes. Right, and then we'll just do like a ridge going up his nose and something around it as well, like this. Right, so he's got these two cheekbones, right? So his skull is like separated. So we've got these like cheekbones here, right? That comes down and in. Down and in. And this will like go down towards his teeth. Down to here. Same on this side, right? And then we have these bumping gum lines, even though he doesn't have gums, but they're still bumps. So it's just this bumping sort of thing coming across, and this will have some lines that go down to each section here, like that. And it kind of connects to his cheekbone. This, it seems like this tooth here. Right, like so. So then the top portion of his skull, we'll finish the top and then we'll do the bottom jaw with the teeth and stuff. This goes up like so. Bumping, sort of like this. He's got like a little bump that sticks off the side here as well. Like so. And then like this heavy sort of frowning area. Goes up his head. So it just makes him look like he's sort of frowning pretty heavily. And then his skull, so top of the skull just goes up around the top. it can be bumpy, you know, because it is a skull. And then he has like these cracks and fissures with where the flame comes out of his head. And so like one. So it's like, you know, the skull is like cracking open with the fire, and all the flame will come out from there as well. You know, because it is a skull. We put like textures on it, like dots and stuff. Okay, so the bottom jaw then. So we'll go, say, down from here, kind of sticks out and goes down to his chin, right? This, it's quite long, and it bumps around at the bottom here. And then again, so inside here, and then we meet the gum line again. So all these bumping lines for the bottom of his gum. Here. Some more sort of jaw lines and textures and stuff just on this on the inside. So then there's all teeth inside here. So coming down from the top, right? So we go. Right, and then that means each of these is a tooth underneath as well. Right, like that. And then there's like some more sort of texture just coming around the bottom here, with some bump lines for bones and stuff coming out this way. And some like textures inside here, dots and stuff. Okay. All right, so we get his body done, then we'll add the flame. So we got his collar just sort of curving around here. And then this goes around like so. And then the collar comes down. It's like a biker collar. Down to there. And then this curves around here. Right, and we can give it, because it is leather, you know, you can give it some like edge lines and things. And then his shoulder comes out this way, down, out this way and down. And then we have sort of a zipper sort of section. So there's like a square. Zipper there. And it kind of like comes down like so. And there's like an open section, it looks like. So it's like this is just shadow in here. Not familiar with biker gear, but this is how it looks. Right, and then these will have just some like edges coming down just to show they're raised up. And then we got like a shoulder section. So it's like with all the stitching, you know, on the leather. And then they're going down here. It's like another stitching line on the top. It goes down his arm as well. So there should be one up here too. Right, and then he has this white square, just comes along this. All right, okay. So then all you got to do is add flame. So let's see. So yeah, just like coming out from his collar and around his head and stuff. So like just all around. So all these curving kind of flame lines. Goes up off my page. Like coming off his head here as well. Comes out from his collar pretty much. Right, all around here. And it'll be, of course, how you color it. That'll make it sort of look more like fire. So the fire connects to these sort of cracks as well. Oh, it goes off the top of the page there. It gets real long. Right, but that's it. That's how to draw Ghost Rider. Reese, is that his name? I can't remember. Ghost Rider, Robbie Reese. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.